Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Xiaomi Buds 2 Pro with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and write Bluetooth. Now click Enter and then add Bluetooth. Now open the charging case and press and hold a functional button for at least few seconds. Here we go, and now we should see it at the device list. Now click on it and then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!